Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today I got something just a little bit different for you. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Taste of Home subscription. So before I get started, let me just say, if you love food and you love fun, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. So this is Taste of Home special delivery. I get this once every 3 months, I believe, and I just love it. So in here typically is a full-size cookbook and then some kitchen gadgets and that sort of thing. So y'all know I sell kitchen tools, but that's one of the reasons I love getting this. I love to compare the two, and sometimes there's things in here I actually prefer over our Pampered Chef, but more times than not, I like my Pampered Chef stuff better. And sometimes there's stuff I've never seen. I just love seeing the different things that people come out with, and of course I love the cookbook. So what do you say we open this up? See what I got in here. I actually got this 2 days ago. I saved it to open with you guys to show you what's in here. Okay, let's see. So they always send you, I wouldn't call it a newsletter, but maybe it's a newsletter. I don't know. It talks about everything that's in your box. It has, let's see, this one says juicy facts. So it talks about food and stuff like that. It has recipe cards in here. All right, let's see. What did we get? Chop 2-pot mini. Oh. This is cool, but it's not very big. So again, this is one of those things I like comparing the two. I don't know what the price is on this. They don't ever tell me prices. I guess because I already paid for it with my subscription. In case you're wondering, this is roughly $50. I think your first one you get for $30 or $35, but with shipping and everything, I think it's $49.95. Maybe it's $52. I don't know. I think the price is $49.95 and then with shipping it's $52. I don't know. Anyway, this looks like it's a cutting board and you can fold it up and move all your stuff over to your pot. But let me just show you. And you may have seen this on one of my other videos, but Pampered Chef has flexible cutting mats. Now this is the small size. I keep these around for the kids if I do prepping parties here or we do meal prep. I keep these because I have lots of them, so everybody has one of their own, but I prefer our larger set, and you get 3 in a set, and each one, so this one has like your measurements on it. One of the big ones has like the different knives and what you use them for. One has different size like chopping, so your julienne and your fine, your dice and your chopped. Anyway, they all 3 have cooking tips on there, and then like I said, you get 3 of them, and they're flexible, and they're a lot bigger than just this. So I really like them. Over to the pot, and you get 3. So like if I cut meat on one, I can cut vegetables on the other. Anyway, this is kind of a cool little tool, but again, I prefer ours, and I'm betting. Oh, this is kind of neat. I don't know why I'd need to move it like that, but all right, what else did we get in our box besides paper? Catch silicone scrubby, durable scratch-free cleaning. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. This might be something I can use. So, and I'll tell you what I use for just about everything nowadays. I do like this. So it's like one of those face scrubbers. I can get it out of here. Its tail's caught. It's a fish. You see it? It's like one of those face scrubbers. Yeah, I'm not sure how well this will scrub, but I'm interested to use this. I'll have to let you guys know later after I try it. One of the things that I love is we sell these little pan scrapers, and I tell you, I used to go to Pampered Chef parties before I started selling it, and I would throw these away when I won them as a prize, so I didn't think they were really worth anything. Now I have these things everywhere. If I spill like wax out of my wax warmer, I'm using this to scrape it up. It's really good for my cast iron, and all of our stoneware comes with one of these. So we sell them in a pack of 3 though, and I sell these all the time. So this really gets, like if I bake like a lasagna in glass, this gets everything off. So we'll give our scrubby a try. I think he's really cute though. It's a fish. All right, what is this? Clip and drain. Hey, that is a good idea. This is a fabulous idea. This I'm intrigued by. I like this. We can get it out. So what this does is it hooks on your, it looks like it hooks on your pot. Let's see if I can get a pot over here. So it looks like it clips on here. Oh yeah, cool. So it clips on there like that, and then you can drain. So that's pretty cool. Now, one of the things I love about Pampered Chef, we don't have it with our saucepans, and this isn't Pampered Chef anyway, but we have a big stock pot, and it's 10 quarts, and when you put the lid on it, you can I just did it on a video. Actually, I think it might be on tomorrow's video that I haven't uploaded yet, but you tip it over and you leave the lid on, and you don't have to use a colander or anything. It holds all the ingredients in, and you're able to drain it that way. But that's only on our big stock pot, and it does come with a colander too. But our smaller pans, this is going to be perfect for. This is really cool. So again, sometimes I really like what I get in the box. This I think I'm gonna love. So we'll set this back out of the way. What else is in our box? So I mean, for 50 bucks, you get quite a bit of stuff in here, and I think the cookbooks sell for, I don't know, 20 bucks anyway. Nylon ladle with integrated tool rest. I don't know why I would need to rest my tool other than stick it in a spoon rest. Maybe they know something I don't, though, right? Okay, let's see. Raised tool head, tool rest, and heat-resistant silicone handle. Pretty sure I know what the handle is. Am I missing something here? I guess it keeps it up off the... Here's my thing with ladles, though, is improves hygiene, reduces mess. So yeah, I guess that's the only part. It's got this thing on the bottom so that it keeps it from hitting the table or the countertop, I guess, or whatever. My thing with ladles is that when you scoop stuff out, though, it's going to continue to drip and drip and drip. I would just get a spoon rest. This, I don't see any point in. That's my own personal opinion. Maybe you guys can think of a different idea or use for it. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing, but maybe it is really good. Let's see what this is. This looks like our tomato knife. So I'm not going to take this out. I'm going to hurt myself with it. But honestly, it looks just like our tomato knife. And I get so many compliments on these too. Look at that. So if it slices as well as this one, I'll love it. And it's fine to have two of those. All right. What do we got here? This doesn't have any instructions with it, but I can tell you it's a spoon rest, which is cool because I can never have too many spoon rests, especially if I have like a gathering over here and I've just got pots and stuff everywhere. I'm always looking for another spoon rest. I'm usually like laying out little little saucers or whatever, but this has a little thing so you can hang it. It's got I don't know why it needs nubby things, but maybe you guys know. I don't know. But it's silicone, so it's bendable. I don't really know the purpose in that. But anyway, like I said, I'll be able to use that. Let's see what our cookbook is. This is always my favorite. My favorite. One Pot Favorites. Features Dutch oven, sheet pans, and Instant Pot, and more. So that's cool. It's got our pressure cooker stuff in it. Let's just open it up and see where it lands. Tangy, sweet, and sour meatballs. That looks like it'd be good in a cast iron skillet. Skillet shepherd's pie. And we've got a skillet that goes in the oven that I love using. You guys have probably seen me use it. So yeah, I'm liking these skillet ones. Let's see what else we got. I don't know. I'll have to take my time and go through it. Look at the acorn squash. That looks pretty. All right. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. So give it a try if you're interested. Like I said, you get different stuff every month. Runs roughly $50 with shipping, but I really enjoy it. You only get it, every 3 months. So did I just say every month before that? I don't know. Anyway, you get it every 3 months. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.